This is exercise 3.4, R.D. Sharma solution class 10th, chapter 3. These are the system of equation. Now these two equations are nothing but straight lines, because they are of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, or you can say they are of the form y equal to mx plus c. So essentially they are two lines, and the solution of these two lines is simply meaning when these two lines intersect somewhere, this is the point we are talking about, and this point is going to lie here also, lie here also on both the equations. That is, this point is going to satisfy both of these equations. So there are certain methods to solve it. First of all, that the simplest is to substitute or to multiply and then make either x component or y component or term common and just add or subtract. And the other method is cross multiplication. So there are certain methods to solve it. It depends on you that how comfortable you are with certain method. Or second thing is, in your examination, which particular method is being sought. Means the examiner has specifically asked you that okay, do it by say cross multiplication method. So today we'll understand the cross multiplication method. So I'll try to explain it very carefully, and I'll try and request that the next coming all these are same exact thing we are going to do. So we'll be skipping only those questions which will need some more explanation. We'll go into that. So just understand how this is done. This is cross multiplication. So here, what is the coefficient of x? This is 1. So this is your a1. Let me write it like this. First equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So what is the first equation? X plus 2y plus 1. So what is a1? This is 1, because the coefficient of x is 1. So a1 is 1. Now what is b1? It is 2. Coefficient of y, so it is 2. What is c1? It is 1. We have to take the sign also, okay? So c1 is 1. Now let us go to the second equation. This is a2x plus b2y plus c equal to 0. C2 now. Let us write this equation. 2x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. What is a2? a2 is 2. What is b2? b2 is minus 3. What is c2? It is minus 12. It's minus 12. So we have a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Now when we want to solve it using cross multiplication, we write x like this. So whenever we write x, we don't take the coefficient of x. We take the other ones and we cross multiply. What is the cross multiplication? Cross multiplication means multiplying like this. So here you have 2. You have to multiply it with minus 12. So you multiply 2 with minus 12. And second cross multiplication is this, minus 3 into 1. So minus 3 into 1. Then you subtract them. So there is a negative sign. When you come to y, you put a minus y. Again, when you go for y, then you just leave the coefficients of y and take others. Like this 1 and minus 12. So you multiply 1 and minus 12. Then this is cross multiplication. Now this cross multiplication. 2 into 1. Then you subtract. Now when you come to 1, you leave the coefficient of the constant coefficients, and you take x and y coefficient. So this is 1 and this is minus 3. So multiply it. 1 into minus 3. Then subtract 2 into 2. Now 2 into minus 12 is minus 24. Minus minus is plus. 3 into 1 is 3. So plus 3. Minus y is already there. So this is minus 12 into 1. This is minus 12. Minus 2 into 1 is 2. Here minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. 2 into 2 is 4. So x by 3 minus 24 is minus 21. Minus 12 and minus 2 is minus 14. and 1 by minus 3 and minus 4 is minus 7. Now since we have minus in the numerator, minus in the denominator, you can cancel it out here only. Now let us find out x. So when we want to find out x, we take this one and this one. So x by minus 21 is what? 1 by minus 7. X will be equal to minus 21, this goes to numerator, minus 21 by minus 7. Minus minus gets cancelled, 7 3 is 21. So x is 3. In order to find y, we'll take this one and again the constant term. So y will be equal to 14 goes here, 14 by minus 7. So 7 2s are 14 minus sign. So y equal to minus 2. So y is minus 2, x equal to 3. This is how it comes, right? So this is the solution. Next, all questions are like this, most of the questions. So here a1 is 3, b1 is 2 and c1 is 25. a1 is 2, a2 is 2, b2 is 2 and c2 is 10. Please remember that you have to take the negative sign also. So by cross multiplication, that means first you have to multiply this by this, leave this one, multiply this by this, and this means this by this and this by this, and subtract. Then when you come here, multiply 3 with 10, multiply 2 and 25 and subtract. When you come to this one, multiply 2 with this 3 with 1 and 2 with 2 and subtract. And you just solve it. X is 5, y is minus 20. Same thing, exactly same thing. So a1 is 2, a2 is 3, b1 is 1, b2 is 4, c1 is minus 35, c2 is minus 65. Now I do the cross multiplication. You get x as 1 by this 15 and y as 5. Again the same thing. a1 is 2, b1 is 1. a2 is minus 1, b2 is minus 1. c1 is minus 6, c2 is minus 2. Now do the cross multiplication. X will be 4, y will be 2. Now this is a somewhat different equation. So how we are going to do this? First we will try to formulate it in the way it should be. Means ax plus by plus c. So this x plus y by xy, let us take x by xy. Let's take the denominator for both of these. Y by xy equal to 2. X cancels, so you get y. Here y cancels, so 1 by x. This is equal to 2. Bring them here, like 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 2. So this is our first equation. Second equation is also like this. So x by xy minus 6 by xy equal to y by y, equal to 6. 1 by y minus y cancels, 1 by x equal to 6. So we have to formulate it in the way ax plus by plus c. So bring x here, y here. So multiply every term by minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Why I have done this? Because 1 by x I want to bring it here, so I want it to be positive. 1 by y equal to minus 6, right? Now what you can do here is, you can take 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. So now the equation becomes u plus v equal to 2, bring 2 here. So u plus v equal to minus 2. And u minus v will be equal to minus 6, bring minus 6 here, so it will be plus 6. Now a1 is 1, a2 is 1, b1 is 1, b2 is minus 1, c1 is minus 2 and c2 is 6. Now you just cross multiply and then u and v will come, and when u and v will come, you know that u is 1 by x, so you just take reciprocal of this, 1 by minus 2, that is minus 1 by 2. Take reciprocal of this, that will be 1 by 4. So x and y are these values. Ax plus by equal to a minus b. Now this is in the standard form only, so we don't have to do anything. Ax plus by, bring it here, minus a minus b, like this. Or you can also say minus a plus b. Here bx minus ay minus a plus b equal to 0. So what are the cases? This is a1, a2, b1, b2, c1 whole and c2. So just multiply, cross multiply, and whatever comes, you just need to see that what all get cancelled. Here this minus ab plus ab will cancel. Here also this will cancel. And if you take this minus a, if minus common, this will be simply x by minus a square plus b square. Here you have minus y by a square plus b square again, and here you have 1 by a square plus b square minus. So whenever you take x, this gets cancelled, so you have x equal to plus 1 because minus minus gets cancelled. For y, you cancel these minus because it is already minus there. So this gets cancelled, you get y equal to minus 1. So this is how x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1 will come. Here also a1 is 1, a2 is a, b1 is a, b2 is minus b, c1 is minus b, c2 is minus c. And do the cross multiplication, you will get these values, and there will be not much cancellation. This will only come as x, this will only come as y. Now here you have a1 as a, b1 as b, b1 as b and b2 as a, c1 as a minus a square and c2 as minus b square. Now do the cross multiplication. Only you have to see one thing, that when you want to find out a, it will be a cube minus b cube by a square minus b square. A cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. In the denominator you have a square minus b square, you can write it as a minus b, a plus b. Cancel this, this will be your x. For y again, if you don't have to do anything because there will be no cubes. Just take AB common from these two. AB will be common, so B minus A will be there. Cancel these two out, only minus will remain. So minus AB by A plus B will be there. Here you have A1 as 1 by A and A2 as A. B1 is 1 by B and B2 is minus B. C1 is minus 2 and C2 is minus A square. B square minus A square. Okay. Now do the cross multiplication. Here these two gets cancelled, BB will get cancelled, only A will be there. For y, this will be cancelled because if you take minus from here, it will be A square plus B square only. A will get cancelled, you will get only B. So x equal to A and y equal to B is the solution. Now here you have again same thing, 1 by A is A1, 1 by A square is A2, 1 by B equal to B1, 1 by B square equal to your B2. And minus a plus b is your c1 and minus 2 is your c2. So do the cross multiplication, and you see that after all the cancellation you will get this a minus b, a minus b, a minus b gets cancelled, and you are left with this b square get cancelled, a square will be there. Here a minus b gets cancelled, a square gets cancelled, you get b square. Now here x by a equal to y by b. So you can just resolve it. Cross multiply, so this will be bx equal to ay. So you can write it as bx minus ay equal to 0. And you can write this as ax plus by. Bring a square minus b square here. So minus a square plus b square equal to 0. So what will be your a1? B. A2 A. B1 is minus A and B2 is B. And C1, because there is no C plus 0, you can write. So C1 is 0 and C2 is minus A square plus B square. So when you cross multiply, this will be the result. And see, when you just resolve it, A square plus B square, A square plus B square. And again, here also you'll get A square plus B square. So this will get cancelled and you'll left with BB gets cancelled, left with A. In Y, again this will get cancelled, A gets cancelled, so you will get only B. So X is equal to A and Y equal to B. This was 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y equal to minus 1, and 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y equal to 10. So we have taken 1 by x plus y equal to u and 1 by x minus y equal to v. So this will be 5u minus 2v equal to minus 1, 15u plus 7v equal to 10. You can bring it here, so it will be plus 1. You can bring it here, it will be minus 10. So what will be your a1? 4, a2 is 15. B1 is minus 2, B2 is 7, and you bring it here, so C1 will be 1 and C2 will be minus 10. Do the cross multiplication. Once you get U and once you get V, now just equate it with the 1 by x plus y. So x plus y will be 5 and V is 1, so x minus y will be 1. Just add these two equations like this, x plus y equal to 5 x minus y will be equal to 1. Add them, this gets cancelled, 2x equal to 6, x will be equal to 3. Put it here, so y has to be 2. So this is x and y. Here you can take 1 by x equal to u, 1 by y equal to v. So this becomes 2u plus 3v, bring 13 here, minus 13. And this will be 5u minus 4v, bring this here, plus 2. So a1 will be 2, b1 will be 3, and c1 will be minus 13. We are bringing it here. a2 will be 5, b2 will be minus 4, and c2 will be, we are bringing minus 2 here, so it will be plus 2. Do the cross multiplication, u will be 2 and v will be 3. Because we have assumed x as 1 by u, so it will be 1 by 2, and y will be 1 by v, so it will be 1 by 3. ax plus by equal to a plus b by 2. So what you can do here is, you can resolve it like this. Ax multiply 2 here. So you get 2 ax plus by equal to a plus b. This will be 2ax plus 2by, bring it here, minus a plus b equal to 0. So a1 is 2a, b1 is 2b, and c1 is minus a plus b. Here a2 is 3, b2 is 5, and c2 is minus 4. We bring it here. These are the values. Do the cross multiplication, you will get x and y. And this x is half and y is half. The solution is in front of you. There is a simple management, nothing else. Now here a1 is 2a, b1 is, a1 is 2a, a2 is 3a. b1 is 3b, b2 is 2b. We bring it here. c1 is minus a plus 2b, and because we have already brought it here, so c2 will be minus 2a plus b, like this. Now do the cross multiplication, x will be like this, and y also you can find. Y will be simply, you just have, the way I taught you in the first question is something like this. If there is some cancellation like this, if you take a common from here, b common from here, so bb gets cancelled, here a gets cancelled. So these are the values. Now the next question is, these are the system of equations, and how to solve this by cross multiplication. First of all, we will bring this 28 on the left hand side, so this will be minus 28. So this is a1, this is b1, and this is c1. Bring 18 here, so this will be a1, a2, b2, and c2. We know how to do it. When we put x, this 5, when we take x, then we don't take these one, a1, a2. We take these ones, 6b into minus 18 and minus 4b into minus 28. Then we take minus y, so when we take y, we take these two, 5a into minus 18 minus of minus 3a into minus 28. Then when we take 1, it is 5a into 4b minus 3a into 6b. So just we resolve it, we take x and y like this. So x will be 2 by a, y will be equal to 3 by b. This is the given system of equation. Now here a plus 2b is a1, 2a minus b is your b1, and minus 2 is your c1. Here a minus 2b is a2, 2a plus b is b2, and minus 3 is c2. So these are a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. We know how to do it. So just cross multiply. This is the solution in front of you, and you just need to resolve these. Means wherever it is, there is some cancellation, please cancel it. And finally equate this one with this one, you get x, and this one with this one, so you get y. So x will be this one, 5b minus 2a by 10b, and y will be equal to a plus 10b by 10ab. Here we have x, so this will be your a1. Bring this on the left hand side, so this will be your b1, and then because there is no constant here, So constant will be 0. Here A2 will be 1, B2 will be 1 and C2 will be 2A square. So how you can do it? You can, as I said, that A1 is this one. So what is this one? A minus B plus AB by A minus B. So this is what? Multiply these two, A minus B whole square plus A minus B by A minus B. That is A square plus B square minus 2AB plus AB. Sorry, this is AB. This is AB. AB by A minus B. So you get A square plus B square, then this is minus 2AB AB. So AB minus 2AB is minus AB. So A square plus B square minus AB by A minus B. So this is your A1. Like this, same thing we'll do with this one. The only sign will change. So B1 is this one, and C1, as I said, it is 0 because there is no constant term. Then if you take this one, A2, B2 and C2. Now we'll do the cross multiplication, and this is the solution in front of you, and you just have to do the basics right. Wherever it is going to cancel, you just cancel it. And finally, just check when you equate this x with this one, you should get x as this value. Here you have to use a cube minus b cube formula, and this is given. This is, so see, this is a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus b square plus a square plus b square plus ab, like this. So in this y, again you have to use a cube plus b cube, that will be a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. So you just have to use this formula, and there will be cancellations, and finally you'll get, because ultimately this whole is a cube plus b cube, and this whole cube is nothing but a cube minus b cube. So it will be simply a cube minus b cube by a, and this will be simply a cube plus b cube by a. Now here A1 is B, then B1 is C, and then we have, if you bring it here, C, you can say C1 is A plus B, minus A plus B. Then here we have B2, A2 as A, 1 by A minus B minus 1 by A plus B. And B2 will be C, 1 by B minus A minus 1 by B plus A, and this will be your C2. So what do you get? Just you can resolve it if you want. This 1 by A minus B minus 1 by A plus B, like this. So multiply this, A plus B, here minus A minus B, so it will be minus A plus B. This will be A plus B, A minus B, that is, you can just write it as A square minus B square if you want, but it is okay. A plus B, A minus B. A gets cancelled, so you get 2B by A plus B, A minus B. So you have this 2B, and A was already outside. A is already outside. So it will be 2AB by A plus B, A minus B. And this case also same thing you have to do, only the signs are different. And this is your, of course, this is A, B and C. So now this is your equation. Finally this one is your, you can say that when you just try to resolve it, you can take 1 by A plus 1 common, A plus 1 by A plus B, A plus B, A plus B, A plus B will go. So finally you will find this one, and then you can just multiply this whole by A minus B. So you get 2ABX minus 2ACY minus 2A into A minus B, right? And all these will be cancelled. So this will be the final, and you can again divide whole by 2A, because 2A and 2A is common. So finally what do you get? Bx minus this Cy minus A minus B equal to 0. So it is finally, when you just resolve it like this, which I just told you, A1 will be B, B1 will be C, and C1 will be minus A plus B. Similarly for this one, you have to take this one as A2, this as B2, and this as C2. Now you can just go for cross multiplication. Wherever it is possible, you can just resolve it and cancel it, and finally your x will be this number, y will be this expression. So you can just check, try it out. The solution is in front of you. Here we have the a minus b as a1, a plus b as your b1, and 2a square minus b square as your c1. Here we just have to multiply this a plus b with x plus y. So what do you get here? See, let me just first let us solve this one. So you get a minus b, a plus b, and 2a square minus b square. So this one is a1, this is your b1, this is your whole c1. In this case, let us multiply it first. So you get a plus b into x plus y. So for ax plus ay plus bx plus by equal to 4ab. So take xx together. So if I take x common, a plus b. If I take y common, a plus b. And bring 4ab here, so minus 4ab. What do you get? This one is your a2, this one is your b2, and this is whole is your c2. This is your a2, b2, c2. Just do the cross multiplication, and when you solve it, this is the solution in front of you. You get x as this value and y as this value. Then in this case, we have a1, a2, b1, b2, and c1, c2. You have to see and take the negative signs. So finally, just cross multiply, and I have told you already how to do it. X will be this expression and y will be this expression. Just try it by yourself. The answer is in front of you. Okay. And after this, once this is done, this is the solution. There is a question actually, which says 57 by x plus y plus 6 by x minus y equal to 5. So we have assumed this 1 by x plus y as u. So it will be 57u plus 6v equal to 5. And bring 5 here. So it will be 57u plus 6v minus 5. The other expression was 38 by x plus y plus 21 by x minus y equal to 9. So take 1 plus x plus y equal to u. So it is 38u plus 21v equal to 9. Bring 9 here like this. So this is your a1, this is a2, this is b1, this is b2, this is c1, this is c2. And just cross multiply, you know how to do it now. So when you get u and v, this is u, this is v. You have to equate it with 1 by x plus y and 1 by x minus y. So x plus y will be equal to 19, x minus y will be equal to 3. So if you want, I can just solve it like this. X plus y equal to 19, x minus y equal to 3. Just add them, this gets cancelled. 2x will be equal to 20, 19, 22, right? X will be equal to 11. So if you see this x is 11, so what will be this y? It will be 8. Y will be 8. This is the solution. Now 2ax minus 2by, so here a1 is 2a, a2 is 2b, b1 is minus 2b, b2 is 2a, and c1 is a plus 4b, and c2 is b minus 4a. Now you can just use the cross multiplication, and x will be this number, y will be this number. Okay, and the solution is in front of you. Just try it. Here we have done already a question like this. So what you can do here is, see, first of all, 6a, this is nothing but 6a multiplying, I am multiplying inside, 6ax plus 6by, and I am bringing this 3a plus 2b on the left hand side. So it will be minus 3a plus 2b. So this 6a is a1, 6b is b1, and minus 3a plus 2b is c1. When you multiply 6 here, so 6bx minus 6ay, then bring this on the left hand side. So minus 3b minus 2a. So this is your a2, b2 and c2. So these are the values. Just do the cross multiplication and x will be your half, y will be equal to 3, 1 by 3. Then there is one question like a square by, the question is like this: a square by x minus b square by b equal to 0, and a square b by x plus b square a by y minus a plus b. So we have taken 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. So equation has become like this. Now this is your a1, this is your a2, this is your b1, this is your b2. 0, so c1 is 0 and c2 is minus a plus b. Do the cross multiplication and you get u equal to 1 by a square and b equal to 1 by b square. And you just have to reverse, means take reciprocal, because you have taken a 1 by x as u and 1 by y equal to v. So just take the reciprocal, it will be a square and b square. Now here a1 is m and a2 is 1. Then b1 is minus n and b2 is 1. Then we have c1. c1 is minus m square plus n square and c2 will be minus 2m. Now just do the cross multiplication, solution is in front of you, and finally you will get x as m plus n and y as m minus n. This gets cancelled like this, and here also you just have to write this m square minus n square as m minus n and m plus n. So this gets cancelled. Here you have a by b as a1, a as a2, minus b by a as b1 and minus b as b2, then minus a plus b as c1 and minus 2ab as c2. Do the cross multiplication and x will be this value, okay, b, and y will be simply minus a. Here again a1 is b by a, b1 is a by b and c1 is minus a square plus b square. Here your a2 is 1, b2 is 1 and then c2 is minus 2ab. Do the cross multiplication, then one only thing which you will see here is that final things will get cancelled. It will be simply x will be ab and y will be equal to ab. So these are the question and answer of this exercise topic. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.